20 tips for hand care. 1. Moisturize regularly, especially after washing your hands. 2. Use a gentle, moisturizing soap when washing your hands. 3. Avoid using hot water when washing hands as it can dry out the skin. 4. Wear gloves when doing household chores or working with harsh chemicals. 5. Protect your hands from extreme temperatures by wearing gloves in cold weather. 6. Trim your nails regularly to prevent them from breaking or snagging. 7. Use a cuticle oil to keep your cuticles soft and healthy. 8. Avoid biting your nails or picking at your cuticles as it can damage the skin. 9. Exfoliate your hands once a week to remove dead skin cells and promote renewal. 10. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. 11. Protect your hands from the sun by applying sunscreen regularly. 12. Avoid using harsh chemical-based hand sanitizers excessively. Opt for alcohol-free options if possible. 13. Practice good hand hygiene by washing your hands frequently, especially before eating or touching your face. 14. Use a hand cream with SPF during the day to protect against sun damage. 15. Massage your hands regularly to improve circulation and relieve tension. 16. Choose hand creams or lotions with natural ingredients and without harsh chemicals. 17. Avoid wearing tight-fitting rings or jewelry that can cause irritation or restrict blood flow. 18. Take breaks during repetitive hand movements to prevent strain or injury. 19. Use a humidifier in dry environments to prevent your skin from drying out. 20. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to promote overall skin health, including the hands.